Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Vorsesar, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learned enhancement of food production chapter contain concepts, microbes in human welfare. In that we detail discuss concept of biotechnology, microbes in food preparation. In that dosa, dhokla and idli, microbes as a source of food. In that we detail discuss single cell protein SCP and mushroom, also dairy products like curd, yogurt, buttermilk and cheese. Today we are going to learn some more concept including enhancement of food production chapter, role of microbes in industrial production. In that we detail discuss production of alcoholic beverages, production of organic acids, production of vitamins, production of antibiotics, production of enzymes and production of gibberellins. So let us start today's first concept, role of microbes in industrial production. During fermentation, produce variety of products like alcoholic beverages, organic acids, vitamins, antibiotics, enzymes. Gibberellin is one of the growth hormone of the plant. So during fermentation, variety of product are produced. All products are most important and essential like alcoholic beverages, organic acids, vitamins, antibiotics, enzymes and gibberellins. Production of an industrial scale require growing microbes. Production on an industrial scale, जेव्हा इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन करायचं असेल तेव्हा require growing microbes in very large vessels called as fermenters. What is main function of fermenters? Fermenters means provide control environment for the growth of microorganism, because production of an industrial scale require growing of microbes. So fermenter provide control environment for growth of microorganisms. Now we detail discuss production of alcoholic beverages. What is beverages? Beverages means it is liquid used or prepared for drinking. Beverages means a liquid used or prepared for drinking. Example, tea, coffee, beer, wine are beverages, liquids prepared for drinking. Function, acts as stimulant. You know, tea one of the stimulant, coffee is also one of the stimulant, beer is also stimulant and wine is also stimulant. So beverages are stimulants. Always remember, alcoholic beverages are fermentation products make using microbes. Alcoholic beverages are fermentation products make using microbes. मायक्रोबच्या मदतीने अल्कोहोलिक बिव्हेरेजेस फर्मेंटेशन प्रोडक्ट तयार होतात. सिन्स वेदिक पीरियड 5000 to 7000 BC. Always remember, alcoholic beverages are fermentation product make using microbes since Vedic period 5000 to 7000 BC. Now we'll learn production of alcoholic beverages. What are the alcoholic beverages? Alcoholic beverages means the product of alcoholic fermentation of specific substrate called as alcoholic beverages. Yeast like Saccharomyces cerevisiae is one of the genus species of the yeast. These microbes means Saccharomyces cerevisiae, variety Ellipsoides, commonly called as brewer's yeast, is used for fermentation. Always remember, yeast like Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called as brewer's yeast, is used for fermentation. What are the alcoholic beverages? Malted cereals and fruit juices. You know cereals, ज्याला आपण तृणधान्य म्हणतो. So malted cereals and fruit juices to produce ethanol. Ethanol fruit juices पासून प्रोड्यूस केलं जातं. malted cereals पासून प्रोड्यूस केलं जातं with the help of yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Malted cereals and fruit juices to produce ethanol. Second, wine and beer are without distillation beverages, while whiskey, brandy and rum are with distillation beverages. Means without distillation beverages and with distillation beverages are different between wine and beers are without distillation beverages, while whiskey, brandy and rum are with distillation beverages. Always remember. Number 4, toddy, a natural alcoholic sap, a traditional drink of coastal region of South India. Toddy, one of the natural alcoholic sap, a traditional drink, ज्याला आपण ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक म्हणतो, of the coastal region South India, made by fermenting the sugar sap extracted. Sugar sap extracted पासून fermenting process ने toddy natural alcoholic sap बनवली जाते, ज्याला आपण इन सिम्पली मराठीमध्ये आपण ताडी म्हणतो. सो toddy, a traditional drink of coastal region in South India, made by fermenting the sugar saps extracted from palm plants and coconut plants. Coconut plants and palm plant, sugar sap extracted fermenting process, traditional toddy natural alcoholic sap produce. Point number 5, Fani is also one of the traditional famous wine of Goa. गोव्यातली ट्रॅडिशनल फेमस वाईन ज्याला आपण फनी म्हणतो, मेड बाय फर्मंटिंग फ्लेशी पेडिकल ऑफ कॅशोनट फ्रूट्स. कॅशोनट फ्रूटच्या पेडिकल पार्टपासून फर्मंटिंग प्रोसेसने ट्रॅडिशनल फेमस वाईन ऑफ द गोवा प्रोड्यूस known as Fani. Always remember, Fani is one of the traditional famous wine of Goa, fermenting fleshy predicale of cashew nut. Point number 6, tubular tower fermenter is used for large scale production of alcohol. Tubular tower fermenter is used for large scale production of alcohol, seen in diagrammatic representation. This one is tubular tower fermenter apparatus. In the tubular tower fermenter apparatus, yeast movement is seen in the tubular tower fermenter. With the help of yeast, large scale production of alcohol with the help of tubular tower fermenter, seen here. This one is fermenter part, and this is the heat exchanger pump. This one is heat exchanger pump, and alcohol is removed from this point. So this is the actual diagrammatic view of tubular tower fermenter. Most of time this figure is also sketch and labeled tubular tower fermenter, or identify the diagram tubular tower fermenter used for large scale production of alcohol. Up to this we detail discuss alcoholic beverages. Now we learn production of organic acids. Microbes are used in production of number of organic acids, like here noted organic acids, and microbial sources means microbes used for production of organic acid. Number one, first, citric acid is one of the organic acid are produced by involvement of microbes known as Aspergillus niger is a microbial source. Second one is gluconic acid is one of the organic acid produced microbes use Aspergillus niger. Third one is fumaric acid is also one of the organic acid. Microbes used for production of fumaric acid Rhizopus erizus. Rhizopus erizus is one of the microbes used for production of organic acid like fumaric acid. Acetic acid, that is vinegar, is one of the organic acid produce Acetobacter aceti. Always remember, here noted all these 4 different organic acids, and here noted microbes use production of organic acids. Citric acid Aspergillus niger, gluconic acid Aspergillus niger, fumaric acid Rhizopus erizus, and acetic acid Acetobacter aceti. Hope that you understood everything. Now we learn uses of organic acids. Number one, first, citric acid is one of the organic acid. Uses confectionery. Why citric acid is used in confectionery? Because citric acid contain rich glucose or sugar, so citric acid used in confectionery. Second one is fumaric acid is used in resins as wetting agents. And third one is gluconic acid used in medicine for solubility of calcium. So up to this we detail discuss citric acid use in confectionery, fumaric acid used in resin as wetting agent, and gluconic acid used in medicine for solubility of calcium. Up to this we detail discuss organic acids production. Now we learn production of vitamins. What is vitamins? Organic nitrogenous compounds capable for performing many life sustaining functions inside our body called as vitamins. What is vitamin? Organic nitrogenous compounds capable performing many life sustaining functions inside our body called as vitamins. Vitamin हे capable असतात performing many life sustaining functions आपल्या बॉडीतलं. So vitamins are most important, like example of vitamins: thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine. Thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine are vitamins. Also folic acids are vitamin. Also pantothenic acid are vitamins. Also biotin are vitamin. Vitamin B12, ascorbic acid are vitamin. Beta carotene, provitamin A, and also ergosterol, provitamin D. So these are the different vitamins that are most important for human body. Always remember, vitamins compound cannot be synthesis by humans. Human vitamin compound synthesis करत नाही except vitamin D. vitamin D सोडून कोणताही विटामिन human body synthesis करत नाही. So always remember, vitamin compounds cannot be synthesis by humans except vitamin D, and therefore they supply in small amount in the diet. आपल्या डाएट मध्ये विटामिन डी सोडून बाकी सगळ्यांचं सप्लाय व्हेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी इन अवर डाएट करावं लागतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज नोटेड हियर: व्हाय विटामिन सप्लाय इन व्हेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट इन डाएट ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग? बिकॉज vitamin compound cannot be synthesis by humans. So vitamin supply in very small amount in the diet to you. Now we detail discuss. Vitamins are manufactured by fermentation using different microbial sources. Vitamin fermentation process ने तयार होतात using different microbial sources. Seen here name of vitamins and microbes used, means vitamin produce microbes. First known vitamin B2 produced by microbes involvement known as Neurospora gossypi. Vitamin B12 also produced by one of the microbes known as Irmothecium aeshebi. So vitamin B12 produce two types of microbes. Vitamin B12 produce Pseudomonas denitrificans. Always remember, vitamin B12 produce Pseudomonas denitrificans is a microbes. Third one is vitamin C produce Aspergillus niger. So here noted different vitamins and here noted microbes produce vitamins. Hope that you understood everything. Up to this we detail discuss production of vitamins. Now we learn production of antibiotics. What is antibiotics? Most of antibiotics are secondary metabolites produce a small amount by some microbes like bacteria, fungi and few algae, which inhibit growth of other microbial pathogens. Always remember, antibiotics are secondary metabolites produce small amount by some microbes like bacteria produce antibiotics, fungi produce antibiotics, few algae produce antibiotics, which are inhibit growth of other microbial pathogen. जो मायक्रोबियल पॅथोजन असतो त्याची ग्रोथ होऊ देत नाही. Such antibiotics are also called as secondary metabolites and produce very small quantity some microbes like bacteria, fungi and few algae. Antibiotics are used in treatment of deadly diseases like plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy. Here noted plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy are deadly diseases treated by antibiotics. Some common antibiotics and their microbial sources are listed below. Antibiotic produce microbial sources. Which microbial source produce antibiotics? Number one, first, chloromycetin is one of the antibiotic produce microbial source known as Streptomyces vene-julii. Streptomyces vene-julii is one of the microbes produce antibiotic known as chloromycetin. Second one is erythromycetin is one of the antibiotic produce Streptomyces erythraeus. Always remember, Streptomyces erythraeus is a microbial source produce one of the antibiotic known as erythromycin. Third one is penicillin is one of the antibiotic produce a microbial source known as Penicillium chrysogenum. Penicillium chrysogenum produce antibiotic known as penicillin. Fourth one is streptomycin is one of the antibiotic. Streptomycin is one of the antibiotic produce a microbial source known as Streptomyces gracias. Always remember, Streptomyces gracias, a microbial source produce streptomycin is a antibiotic. Fifth number antibiotics known as graciofulvin is one of the antibiotic. Graciofulvin is one of the antibiotic produce microbial source known as Penicillium graciofulvum. Penicillium graciofulvum is a microbial source produce a antibiotic known as graceofulvin. Number 5, bacitracin is one of the antibiotic produce a microbial source known as Bacillus licheniformis. Bacillus licheniformis, a microbial source, produce antibiotic known as bacitracin is one of the antibiotic. Number 7, oxytetracycline tetramycin is one of the antibiotics produce microbial source Streptomyces aurificans. So Streptomyces aurificans is produce antibiotic known as oxytetracycline, and tetramycin is one of the antibiotic. Up to this we detail discuss some common antibiotics and their microbial sources. Now we learn production of enzyme. What is enzyme? Enzymes are biocatalyst proteins which accelerate biochemical processes or reactions. Enzymes are biocatalyst proteins, means enzymes are proteins which accelerate, स्पीड देण्याचं काम करतात एन्झाईम बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेसेसला और रिएक्शन्सला. play a key role in metabolic reaction with the help of enzyme. Enzyme essential for survival of living beings, commercially produced by microbes like amylase, cellulase, proteases, lipase, pectinase, streptokinase are different categories of enzymes or different classes of enzyme like amylase, cellulase, proteases, lipase, pectinase, streptokinase are different classes of enzyme. Few example of enzyme used in industrial food processing. Name of enzyme. Microbes use. Number 1 first. Invertase is one of the category of enzyme, class of enzyme. Microbial source produce known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae is microbial source produce invertase enzyme. Second one is pectinase is one of the group or class enzyme, microbial source use production known as Sclerotinia libertine. Sclerotinia libertine is a microbial source produce pectinase enzyme. Next microbial source also useful for produce pectinase enzyme known as Aspergillus niger. So Aspergillus niger also Sclerotinia libertine are both microbial sources produce pectinase enzyme. Lipase is also one of the enzyme produce microbes use known as Candida lipolytica, Candida lipolytica is microbial source produce lipase. Cellulose is one of the enzyme category produce microbial sources known as Trichoderma conigi. Trichoderma conigi is a microbial source produce cellulase enzyme category. Here noted different enzymes: invertase, pectinase, lipase, celluloses. Here noted all different microbes are useful for production of these enzymes. Hope that you understood everything. Up to this we detail discuss few example of enzyme used in industrial food processing. Now we learn uses of enzyme in various industries. Number one, first, textile industry use enzyme to improve the quality of fabrics. टेक्स्टाईल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये एन्झाईमचा यूज केला जातो आणि एन्झाईमचा यूज करून क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्ह केली जाते फॅब्रिक्सची. सो फॅब्रिक्स क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्ह बाय एन्झाईम इन टेक्स्टाईल इंडस्ट्री. सेकंड वन इज pulp and paper industry. Pulp and paper industry, biochemical pulping and bleaching use some enzymes. Number third, food industry use fermentation process for production of breads and drinks like wine and beer. Always remember, food industry fermentation process for production of breads, drinks like wine and beer. Up to this we detail discuss uses of enzyme in various industries. Number fourth, detergent industry uses enzyme. Lipases have superior cleaning properties. Detergent industry enzyme lipases have superior cleaning property, increasing the brightness and removing the oil stains. So enzyme lipase have superior cleaning property, increasing brightness and removing of oil stain. So detergent industries also use enzyme lipase. Enzyme streptokinase use as clot buster. Enzyme streptokinase use as clot buster for clearing blood clots in the blood vessels of patient may causes heart attack. जेव्हा हार्ट अटॅकच्या पेशंटमध्ये ब्लड व्हेसल्समध्ये ब्लड क्लॉट होतं तेव्हा क्लॉट ब्लस्टर म्हणून एन्झाईम स्ट्रेप्टोकायनेज यूज केला जातो. अँड ड्यू टू क्लॉट ब्लस्टर एन्झाईम स्ट्रेप्टोकायनेज क्लिअरिंग ऑफ ब्लड क्लॉट इन द ब्लड व्हेसल. सो enzyme streptokinase used as clot buster is also. Number 5, enzymes are also used in cosmetic, animal feeds and agriculture industries. Up to this we detail discuss various enzymes in various industries uses. Now we learn production of gibberellin. What is gibberellin? Gibberellin is a group of growth hormone mainly produced by higher plants and fungi that promote growth of stem elongation. Main purpose of gibberellin: promote growth of stem elongation that produce higher plants and fungi. So gibberellin is one of the group growth hormone, promote growth of stem elongation. First gibberellin was isolated by two Japanese scientists known as Yabuta and Sumiki, 1938. Yabuta and Sumiki, 1938, are two scientists of Japanese. Gibberellin was isolated from rice seedling infected with the fungus Gibberella fujikori. Always remember, Yabuta and Sumiki are two Japanese scientists. First gibberellin was isolated by Japanese scientists from rice seedling infected with fungus Gibberella fujikori. Always remember, Yabuta Sumiki scientist, rice seedling infected with fungus Gibberella fujikori, and first gibberellin was isolated by Yabuta Sumiki scientist. About 15 different types of gibberellins have many practical applications. Number one, first, used to promote growth of stem elongation. Gibberellinचा यूज ग्रोथ ऑफ स्टेम इलॉंगेशन साठी केला जातो. सेकंड, यूज जिब्रेलिन टू इंड्यूस पार्थेनोकार्पी इन एप्पल pears. Parthenocarpy without fertilization. So without seed production, the fruit produce like apple, pears use gibberellin, parthenocarpy in apple and pear. Use gibberellin in breaking seed dormancy. Number 4, inducing flowering in long day plant, LDP. लॉंग डे प्लांटसाठी फ्लावर इंड्यूस करण्यासाठी जिब्रेलिनचा यूज केला जातो. नंबर 5, जिब्रेलिन यूज इन लार्ज साइज ऑफ ग्रेप्स फ्रूट्स. ग्रेपचे जे फ्रूट्स आहेत त्यांची साईज वाढवण्यासाठी जिब्रेलिन यूज केला जातो. सो अप टू दिस वी डिटेल डिस्कस डिफरंट practical application of gibberellin. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Review today's topic. We learn in today's lecture role of microbes in industrial production, production of alcoholic beverages, production of organic acid, production of vitamins, or production of antibiotics, production of enzymes. Production of gibberellin is a growth hormone. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ question number 1. Antibiotic chloromycetin is obtained from Streptomyces erythraeus, Penicillin chrysogenum. Number 3, Streptomyces venguli, Streptomyces gracias. Yes, the correct answer. Antibiotic chloromycin is obtained from Streptomyces venguli, means C, Streptomyces venguli is correct option. Second MCQ question, ethanol is commercially produced through particular species of Saccharomyces, Aspergillus, Clostridium, Trichoderma. Yes, correct answer is ethanol is commercially produced through particular species known as Saccharomyces. So Saccharomyces, A correct option. Third MCQ, the microbial source of vinegar is Aspergillus niger, Rhizopus aereus, Acetobacter aceti, Streptomyces wengii. Yes, the correct answer is Acetobacter aceti is a microbial source of vinegar. C. Acetobacter aceti, correct option. Number 4, dash dash and dash dash are alcoholic beverages produced without distillation. Wine, rum, wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, brandy, beer. Yes, the correct option is wine and beer are alcoholic beverages produced without distillation, means B, wine and beer is correct option. Short answer question. The first gibberella was isolated by, yes, Yabuta Sumiki, 2 Japanese scientists. First gibberellin was isolated. What is the microbial source of vitamin B12? Yes, Pseudomonas denitrificans are microbial source, produce vitamin B12. Which enzyme used as clot buster? Streptokinase enzyme used as clot buster. Which fermenter is used for large scale preparation of alcohol? Tubular tower fermenter is used for large scale preparation of alcohol. What is main role of gibberellin? Growth of stem elongation is main role of gibberellin. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.